Welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I want to present the third project in the 11th-Hour Christmas Gift series 2025. What makes this album unique is that all its pages, pockets and flaps are crafted entirely from envelopes. As you can see, the album's cover features a minimalistic design. I used high-quality binding cloth and kept embellishment sparse to let the material's natural elegance shine through. These few ornaments that I used to decorate the cover harmonize with the papers and extras used throughout Lemon Craft's Natural Christmas collection. These papers feature subdued shades of brown, beige, green and grey, natural colors that perfectly reflect the collection's title. I worked with one 12x12 collection and one 6x6 collection of these papers. To ensure I had enough paper for the entire album, I supplemented with a few coordinating sheets from my stash. The album measures 16.5 by 13.5 centimeters with a 7 centimeter spine. The album's size was determined by the envelopes I used to create it. It has 6 pages dedicated to photos 9 by 13 centimeters and smaller, as well as larger ones such as 10 by 15 centimeters. Have you ever tried making an envelope album? The creative possibilities are truly surprising. I will talk more about it in tomorrow's tutorial, so I will not develop this topic further now. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out the following video. my first envelope album. I've created several over the last few years. I want to show you another one I made previously, featuring a cover upcycled from a cereal or ice cream box, I don't remember now. While I won't go into full detail here because it's not the right moment, you can find a complete presentation and tutorial on my channel. I wanted to mention this album because making an envelope album, it's a lot of fun and a very creative process. So if you are interested in more information, please check out the links in the video description. Thank you for watching. If this third project in the 11th-Hour Christmas Gift Series 2025 inspires you, join me tomorrow for the full tutorial. See you soon!